Let's take a quick dive into a couple of fifth-generation Cadillac DeVilles, which spans from 1977 to 1984. We have here a 1979 Cadillac Coupe DeVille, and later we're going to take a look at a 1984 Sedan DeVille, which is arguably the last full-size DeVille. GM started downsizing all models across all divisions in 1977. These are the Cadillacs I seen growing up on the road. And when all other GM divisions went to smaller displacement engines, Cadillac was the last. She has the 425 cubic inch, 7-liter V8, backed by a 3-speed automatic. Let's check out the interior. She reads a little over 82,000. These are some of the most comfortablest classics you'll ride in. Absolutely beautiful. And there she is, the 425 cubic inch, 7-liter V8, backed by a 3-speed automatic. She got power brakes, power steering, AC. The Cadillac 500, the 425, even the 368, they were all good engines. Let's start her up. (1977) model year was Cadillac's 75th anniversary and was the first year DeVille's came without rear fender skirts. They had a higher roofline and larger trunks than the previous generation. The infamous 500 cubic inch 8.1-liter V8, which was the largest displacement engine put in a production vehicle, was replaced with a 425 cubic inch 7-liter V8 to improve on emissions and fuel economy due to the new corporate average fuel economy regulations, or CAFE for short. They even offered an optional electric fuel-injected version that increased horsepower. A 4-door sedan DeVille and a 2-door coupe DeVille made up the lineup, with the Cabriolet and d'Elegance appearance trim package being available as options. A little over 234,000 DeVilles were sold the 1977 model year for an all-time sales record. The 1978 DeVille model saw a new optional Phaeton trim package, which was available in Cantillon White, Platinum Silver, or Arizona Beige. They featured wire disc wheels, a simulated convertible top with special pinstriping, A Sedan emblem replaced the Coupe DeVille or Sedan DeVille emblem on the rear fenders. In 1979, Arizona beige was replaced with Western Saddle Fire Mist, and Platinum Silver was replaced with Slate Fire Mist. The Phaeton trim package was discontinued the 1980 model year, along with the 425 cubic inch 7-liter V8, which was replaced with a 368 cubic inch 6-liter V8, which was the same block used in the 500, 472, and 525 cubic inch V8s. The 368 V8 shared the same stroke as the 472 and 425 cubic inch engines, but had a much smaller bore, with the 1980 model receiving a more aerodynamic front nose with a new trunk lid. Cadillac introduced a special modulated displacement system on the rebranded fuel-injected 368 cubic inch V8, now called the V8-64, made by Eaton Corporation.
The exclusive new V8-64 fuel injection, the standard gasoline engine for all 1981 Cadillacs. As you start out, all 8 cylinders are in operation. As power needs lessen, the car automatically goes to 6 cylinders and then to 4 cylinders. When you need it, it instantly reverts to 8 cylinders again. Test drive V8-64. Only your Cadillac dealer has it.
Basically a modern-day displacement-on-demand system found on a lot of cars made today, and we all know how bad these systems are. It's interesting Cadillac was already implementing similar systems in the early 80s that we use today, probably one of the reasons they still around. But I don't understand, why would you buy a car with a V8 engine but want to turn it into a 6-cylinder or 4-cylinder, depending on driving conditions, to save on gas mileage? I would just buy the V6 option. I would want my V8 to stay a V8 all the time. Cadillac did offer a Buick 4.1-liter V6 and the Oldsmobile 5.7-liter diesel V8 as engine options. Unfortunately, the modulated displacement on demand system was a disaster, pretty much like the ones today, and had to be deactivated by customers to get the car to run correctly. Cadillac eventually got the V8-64 to run smooth and correctly, but by this time it was only found on the commercial vehicles like the limousines. It was replaced by an all-aluminum block 249 cubic inch 4.1-liter HT4100 V8, the same engine that is in this beautiful 1984 Cadillac DeVille. It's backed by a 4-speed automatic. With GM focused on the new downsized front-wheel drive C platform, the 83 model seen minimal changes due to a delay in production. The new front-wheel drive DeVilles was pushed back to 1985, so the 1984 Cadillac DeVille was a rerun of the previous year, making it the last full-size DeVille. Start her up, guys. See how good she runs. Fire right up. Drop down in the comments and tell me what y'all think of this beautiful Cadillac DeVille. I think she's absolutely gorgeous, with or without the wheels.